Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to another vlog and another video. So, I told you all along, how we've had a temporary $2 pay increase at work at BJ's. Started out the 23rd of March through Easter Sunday, then ended up getting extended a few more weeks, then ended up getting extended a few more weeks from there too, in through today. Well, we got an automated phone call. We got an automated phone call yesterday from BJ's network stating now once again it's extended a couple more weeks in through 2 weeks from today, in through 2 weeks in through two in, in, through, in, through, in, in through in, 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 in through in through 2 weeks from today, in through 2 weeks from today, in through two in through 2 weeks in through 2 weeks from in through 2 weeks from today, the 13th of, in through in through two in through in in through in, in, in through in through 2 week in through 2 weeks from today, the 13th of June. Um, uh, but anyway, it's today. It's much cooler than a lot of the earlier part of this week had been, and it's actually quite windy. Right, it's actually quite it's a, it's actually it's a, it's actually quite it's a, it's actually quite it's a, it's act it's actually it's actually it's actually quite win- it's actually quite windy. It's actually quite windy right now. So to say, yeah. And another thing too, yesterday at work, yes, 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 yesterday, yesterday at work, yesterday at work, yesterday at work at BJ's, we had three, we had 3 rounds of heavy rain. Yesterday after, yesterday at work at BJ, yesterday at work at BJ's. Oh my God, I'm hearing something that sounds like a lot of banging. I don't know. Could even be some firework boomers or something. You folks couldn't hear, but I could hear.